Is chin chin your favorite snacks, but for some reason you keep getting it wrong, just like the one on the right part of this video? Well, allow me offer you the snacks as I show you how to make the best chin chin ever. What you'll be needing is flour, sugar, nutmeg, baking powder, and some salt. I'll put the exact measurement on the description. What you need to do is to mix this dry ingredient first, measure out your butter, and mix your butter. Please, I haven't put any wet ingredients. Mix this thoroughly till you get this consistency you see. Then I'm gonna be using milk ultra. I'm not gonna use any water. Use some cold milk, add some vanilla flavor. It's your choice if you want to. And then mix. Keep adding your liquid milk as much as you need. You don't want this dough to be too sticky, and at the same time you don't want it to be extra hard. Just perfect like this. Set this aside for about 45 to 1 hour and your dough is ready. You can use flour. Some people prefer oil. I prefer flour to make it not to stick to my baking surface, and I will need, just as you see, make it as thin as possible but not so thin. Use a pizza cutter to cut this into your desired shape. Ignore my shape. I tried making different shapes with this, even though looking like the Nigerian map. So cut this perfect like this. You should have a good chin chin just like this. And to test if your oil is hot, you can just put one of these. I'll show you why and how not to get the previous picture you saw. When you overload your chin chin this way, you get this kind of chin chin texture because it's overloaded with oil, and the oil, I don't know how to put it, the chin chin is soaked in the oil, so you won't get that perfect chin chin structure. You're gonna get this, which is not good. So to avoid that, fry your chin chin bit by bit just like this, and don't mix immediately. As you can see, I was trying to stir from the side, and once it's dried like this, then I can mix the way I want to mix. What you're avoiding is your chin chin to break in the pan, and you will get this sandy texture. So I'll show you, this is what it looks like when you fry bit by bit, and this is what it looks like when you fry together so much. So avoid making that mistake. They were both made from the same dough, but as you can see, they all came out differently. One was perfect because I fried bit by bit and the other wasn't. Well, my chin chin is ready, and as you can see, it's looking so yummy, crunchy, and has this perfect milk taste. So please try this at home and let me know. Of course, I had a combination with zobo. I made this zobo drink to go perfectly well with the chin chin. If you've watched to this extent, I'm assuming you love this video. So please like and subscribe to my channel for more food content. Thank you.